The scare in the second set there?
Yeah, maybe I was scared a little because I saw that I was playing so good, and it was like a moment that I feel it a little nervous. And when you leave it, Gisela plays, she's a very good player, she has a very good forehand, so it was a little bit there. I lost the second set, but I could go to the toilet and I breathe and I relax, and when I come back I start to play again good, and I could win in the third set.
Did you think that you dropped off a little bit and she picked up? Sort of what do you put that second set down to?
Well, I think I start to play a little more short, so when you leave her to play, she has very good angles and she has all the shots, so I think the tactic against her is try to don't let her to play so good, so if I start to play short, she can do all the things. So that is the difference between second and third set.
And I guess aside from that second set, were you happy with how you played in the first and the third?
Yeah, really happy. Well, it was 6-1, 6-1, so I was playing very good, and I hope I can play like this tomorrow.
And moved into another semi-final. You're starting to think maybe try and go one better than 2002 when you made the final here?
No, I'm thinking to play tomorrow. I think I play Alona Bondarenko, and she's a really good player. I played against her 2-3 times and always was really tough matches. So I'm thinking now in the semi-finals, trying to beat her, and then if I win tomorrow, maybe I think win the tournament on Saturday.